Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the US government removing the level 3 travel advisory for Jamaica. Now a level 3 travel advisory means you should reconsider travel to Jamaica. Now for various reasons the US had issued this advisory. I think it was last year. And according to the hotel sector, they suffered cancellations. It affected travel to Jamaica from the US. So now that they have lifted the level 3 advisory, it is welcome news for the hotel sector, or the entire tourism sector in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with this travel advisory. Now, as you know, Jamaica is doing extremely well in tourism. I think Jamaica leads the Caribbean in tourism. Yes, other countries have more hotels. The Dominican Republic has more hotels than Jamaica, but at the rate Jamaica is building new hotels, it's just a matter of time before Jamaica has more hotel rooms than them. Just recently, a 30-floor hotel started construction, the Moon Palace in Montego Bay. And Moon Palace has a 700-room hotel in Ocho Rios, and now they're building a 1,350-room hotel in Montego Bay. And that will be the tallest building in the Caribbean. And also under construction is 4 towers at 28 floors. That's going to be one of the 4 towers is going to be a hotel, the Pinnacle in Montego Bay, and the other 3 will be residential units. So that just gives you, and at 28 floors, all 4 buildings will also be the tallest in the Caribbean. So that just gives you an indication of how Jamaica's tourism market is growing. The tallest buildings in the Caribbean are now in Jamaica, and they are going to be hotels. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the downgrade or the removal of the level 3 travel advisory. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness has welcomed the United States decision to upgrade its travel advisory for Jamaica from a level 3 to a level 2. Americans are now being advised to exercise increased caution rather than reconsider travel. This is significant for Jamaica, and it is indeed an encouraging development, one that reflects the hard work and commitment and discipline that this administration has brought to bear in matters of national security and foreign affairs, he said. Dr. Holness was addressing a special post-cabinet press briefing. He said that the upgrade is not incidental, but is the direct result of years of targeted policy implementation, investments in security infrastructure, and sustained diplomatic engagement, sharing that an unprecedented investment of $87 billion has been made in national security since 2016. He noted the importance of the moment is well understood primarily by those in the tourism sector who have been experiencing the impact of negative travel advisories. The advisory signals to the international community that Jamaica is safer and is a more secure destination for both residents and visitors, Dr. Holness pointed out. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.